Hi friends, today I'm in Dollar Tree. You know what that means? Let's go shopping.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
So today we're in Dollar Tree and I'm going to share with you everything new hitting the shelves for Christmas 2023. Now they're putting out the reindeer. They are a lightweight metal at the front with a few signs. They do come in the red and green. These are only $1.25. There's a million things you could do with these, including DIY, so keep your eyes open. And the toy soldiers or nutcrackers are back and they come in 6 different combinations. 2 with the black hats, 2 with red, and 2 with blue. These are so good. I'm so glad they veered away from all the wooden ones with the scary paint jobs. Now this is amazing. These are 30-inch battery operated light up LED candy canes and they have timers on them. Oh my gosh, you cannot beat that for $1.25. They do come with the plastic stake for decorating your front area. I cannot believe these are just $1.25. Check out your stores. Now, they are putting out some of their dishes, mugs, and prints for Christmas time. They've got a little gnome, they have a Santa, and they have a snowman. I think we've seen those in the years past. These always go so quickly. The oversized snowmen are great for gifting. Now, this year they have 3 prints. They're doing a gnome and a snowman and Santa, but my favorite is this one. It is a super cute hot cocoa served here print in, so far, just the mug. I'm hoping they come out with more in this print. More kitchen items are hitting the shelves, so we're getting to see some of the prints they're doing this year in their towels and pot holders. And here is a look at some of the little dishes in the same prints as those mugs in the gnome, in the snowman, and Santa. So it's probably more of a salad sized plate or a petite plate, maybe 9-10 inches. Now let's get into all the plus stuff and then we'll be back around the store to look at more of the Christmas items hitting the shelves. These are $3 fur stockings. I think this is a great deal. They come in the white, the gray is trimmed in white, and also the red is trimmed in white. $3, you can't beat it. They also have the fragrance warmers. I really like this little red house one. They're $5, plug in on-off switch for all of your scented wax melts, and I am starting to pull mine out. I'm looking forward to some cooler weather at some point here in Texas. They also have the doors back. They come in 3 colors, the red, white, and black, different signs on them. I do think they did a better job on the wreaths. They are more fitting for the size of the doors, and they are taking a note from Target and they're bringing out all the metal vehicles. So this year they have a super cute VW for $5. This one is, I think, the best of them all because it does have lights on both sides and then it has a tree on top and a wreath in front. I think this one is done really well. They also have this little VW bus. Now, if you're not into it for Christmas, you could always take the lights off and maybe turn it into a Scooby Mobile. It only has lights on the one side, and then this one with the truck has a wreath on the front and a tree in the back, and they have countdowns galore. They've got a reindeer and a snowman and a Santa Claus. These all have little turnable centers so that you can keep track of when Santa is to arrive. Also found this one with the carrot nose, which I think is super cute, and those are all $5. Now for $3, they have some smaller countdowns, and these are just as cute. So these are the block numbers. They have it in a vintage reindeer. It's adorable, also in a snowman and in a gnome, and you can't beat that for $3. Now they brought back their oversized candy canes. They come in 2 versions. One is a red and white traditional and one is a white, green, and red. I know that last year Walmart carried these as well as Five Below, so I'm sure you can pick them up other places, but they are great for decorating indoors as well as outdoors. Now I wanted to point out that they are putting out these fun lanterns. I had seen these on Instagram and I thought they were metal. They are indeed plastic, not metal. So they do come in a white version with the cardinal as well as a black version with the deer, and they brought back the miniature faux fireplace that is super cute. Battery operated for $5. For $5, they have these deer with the best antlers ever. Those come in some glitter in silver, gold, and white. And then they brought back the lightweight metal reindeer in both a sitting and a standing in a bronze, gold, and a white. Up here, they brought back their nutcrackers in a few different colors to choose from. I love that they give you variation if you're into blues or golds or reds. Now, they also have some really cute sitting snowmen and a few other characters I'll show you here in just a second, but they brought back the standing tall gnomes and a super cute little elf, as well as Santa and Mrs. Claus. I haven't seen the gingerbread yet this year, but maybe it's on its way. Those are $5. Now, these, oh my goodness, sometimes Dollar Tree just don't. These poor little owls, they've had a rough year. Their eyes are falling off. They also have some more little danglers in the Santa, but oh my goodness, they're bringing out super cute dressed Santas. They've got 2 different suits in the red or the gray, and those are $5. Those anywhere else would be at least $10. They also have some signs coming out. This one for $5 I thought was really cute, and you really cannot beat their trees. So for $5, you can get a 20-inch tree. Now this one is flocked and it does have that metal stand that is gold. They also have a few that are flocked in a bucket and then the ones wrapped in the fabric. And for $5, they have a tree collar in metal. So cute. Now, I love things like this that you can hide away some of your decorative items for wrapping gifts and different tags and tape. You can use them as decor or use them as gift boxes. They come in a few different sizes and prices from $1 all the way up to $5. They also have some floral that I think was really well done this year for $3. I think this is super cute. Now they also have a poinsettia other than just the white and red berries, and they do have a standing modern poinsettia. That one needed fluffed. For $3, they have reflective magnets for the cars and these candlesticks that are done so well for $3. This gold one in particular in the tree I think is beautiful, and I mean, you just can't beat the price. You couldn't probably make it buying the paint for these for $3, and they do come in a few different versions for different styles. Now up here they have some ribbon that I think is a good buy for $3. It is the jumbo oversized ribbon and some velvet. They also have some decorative tabletop pieces for $3. So these actually have some glitter and some little foam snow inside of them, and they come in the blue as well as the red and green. And they have out their wreath for $5 and the faux fur with some silver in it for $5. I think that's a pretty fair price. They also have some of the leaning entryway signs for $5. So far I'm only finding 2, and up here they're putting out all kinds of fun battery operated items, from snowflake lights to these more modern LED lights to some of their traditional lights that they put out in little sets. This year they have a cute little snowman and a little Santa, and I'm sure that those say something when you get batteries in them. I also thought that these light up icicle lights are really pretty, and so are these trees. I saw these last year and I thought they were so pretty. These would be great in a little cloche. Now they do have some wire LED lights in a bright white and in a warm white, and some little projectors, super cute for the kiddos. So they have little battery compartments at the bottom. They also have their projectors down here in a few different images, and they brought back the battery operated candles with suction hooks. I'm finding a few new items over here, so we'll have to come back soon because they're starting to put out their village, and I got a sneak peek of these little pieces. And I do want to mention their craft items are out. They have kind of been out, but I think this year they did a really great job, especially when it comes to this pom-pom fringe in red, white, and green. That is such a good buy for $1.25. Now we're going to shift gears. I'm going to show you guys a few of their bottle brush trees, and then we're going to get into all of the ornaments for Christmas.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you. Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arms. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Now, how adorable are these little ballerinas? And I have to mention that they also have the Christmas trees coming back and hitting the shelves in both green and white. And this is not a Christmas item, but it could be. It was in my garden section, and they are bisque houses. So super cute, and you can't beat them for $1.25. So it seems like two of them, this one and the one on the right, have openings for votives. This one does have a small hole on the bottom, but it's a more traditional house. Of course, you could paint these, but I think these would be just beautiful white, and I love that you could mix these into a village for Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to the Dollar Tree to see what's hitting the shelves for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.